going on, you guys, and welcome to another video. And today I'm super excited to tell you guys that we got ourselves a huge cam for the Corvette. Corvette's sitting right here, and I noticed in a couple videos that you guys said the fitment was off and this and that. You guys still have to keep in mind, I just threw these wheels on, so the fitment is way off. That is what was on there, and now the fitment is completely off because these are for the wide body. So I guess I just have to keep saying that in every one of my videos because not everybody watches every single video. This is for the wide body, that's why it sticks out like that. Just wanted to see what it would look like. So, and that's also why the wheels are different. These are the base style wheels, these are the Z06 style wheels. I still got to get the fronts, and it's still not lowered all the way. And I can't lower that because it's already hitting the tire. So when I put the wide body on, it will be all good to go. And speaking of, they are right there. We got the wide body fenders sitting right there. Just got to find that rear bumper and we're good to go. That is why the fitment is off right now. We have a couple more goodies for the Corvette, such as the fender flares right here and the side skirts. So that is that. And speaking of more mods, we got this right here. And I'm guessing by the title and thumbnail of this video, you guys already know what is inside this box. Actually, there's one more box that I need to grab out of the front. So we got box 2, box 1. Let's open everything up, see what we're working with. This is all from GPI. Huge shout out to GPI. This is the exact cam and everything that I wanted, and GPI was nice enough to work with us. We got big plans with GPI. We got the cam. They're going to go ahead and give us a tune for the Corvette, so I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and get the razor blade and let's open everything up, see what's all inside. To install the cam, let me show you what cam we got for the Corvette. Let's get started. Dun, dun, dun. Got a lot of popcorn. Alright, first thing. Actually, let's go ahead and open this up. These are the lifters. Alright, let's start digging. Boom, boom, boom. Lifter set. And I think that's everything in this box. So we got the lifters there. Let's open this up. Got her opened. We got all of the lifters in here oiled up and lubricated. Actually, yeah, they're somewhat lubricated. Gonna have to throw these in some oil and let them lubricate for a little bit. So let's throw all this on the side. Let's start checking out what's inside of here. Got the lifter trays for the lifters. So these will go together just like that. Got the head gaskets. Got one. And we got two. Let's see what else we got in here. Water pump gasket. Right, that's what it looks like. Some type of gasket. Another one. So that'll go there. Alright. What else do we got in here? We have bolt. So that'll go there. These are the Trinion upgrade kit. Trinions, bushings, and snap rings by CHE. Got that. Got some GPI stickers. You already know we're going to throw that. Actually, should we start stickering the Max Jacks? Nah. We'll find a place to put the stickers somewhere. What is this? The push rods. 7. Actually, we'll go more into detail on the size of everything when we get everything out of here. Let's see, what else do we got? We got the phaser limiter. So we got that. What else? I see the cam, but we're going to do that last. Got the upgraded valve springs. Gotta do that. And then the camshaft itself. Boom. There are the specs right there of the cam. We'll go into more detail on that later. And then, I honestly thought this was the cam. That's why I picked that one up first. And then this sounds like the head bolts. Yep, so we got the head bolts there. And I think that might be it. Nope. What is this? That's the cam bolt. Okay. Cam bolt there. And we got some screws. What else? DoD oil block off plugs. This is key for the LT1s. I think that might be it, y'all. Yep. Oops, I should not have done that. So we got everything we need to install the cam sitting right here. Got the push rods, got the trunnion upgrade kit, we got the lifters, lifter trays, cam bolt, limiter, phase limiter plug, camshaft, and we got the head bolts, screws, head gaskets, more gaskets, block off plugs, bolt, and the valve springs. So now I'm going to go ahead and give you the rundown on the specs of everything that we've got. So we'll go ahead and start from here and work our way this way. We got the GPI hardened push rods, 7.85 length and 0.80 wall, 3/8 diameter. This is what they look like. Boom. Your typical hardened push rods, just like that. Whatever this is, I'm not actually sure what that is for, but we'll figure it out later. Let's go ahead and open her up. Alright. First thing we see is more stickers. Let's see. CHE and boom. Look at that. Woo! This is some good quality stuff. You can see it's like etched in for the oil to go through and lubricate everything. We got the locks right there. And we got the rest of it right here. Looking good, looking good. Cannot wait to install all this, you guys. This car is going to be night and day difference. Right now it's just completely stock, just with X-pipe and long tubes. So just exhaust and still running on the stock tune. I installed the AFR gauge, treated the AFRs just to make sure that it didn't run lean or too rich with running the headers, and you can run it. The AFRs seem to be good. If anybody's worried about not running a tune with headers and X-pipe, you totally can. At least my AFRs are reading correctly. It runs good. So it's on a stock tune, stock everything, stock intake. Literally everything is stock except for the exhaust. And then when we do this, I'm gonna do the cam, and then it will be cam, exhaust, and I gotta buy an intake. So I'm still looking for that, and we gotta get that before we install this, because we're gonna get a tune with that cold air intake. If you guys have an intake for a C7, hit your boy up. I will be interested in buying it. Let's continue. We got these two right here. Got the lifters, got the lifter trays. You guys already saw that. Cam bolt, nothing special. Nothing special. Let's go ahead and open this up. Head bolts. Simple enough. Nothing too fancy there. And then we got these. Valve springs are from BTR. Oh, come on. Just gotta work it. Boom. We got some goodies in here. We got the valve locks, spring locator for stock guides, titanium retainers, and then the valve springs themselves. Dual spring. Oh yeah. You guys are not ready for this. You guys are not ready for this camshaft. More over there, and that's pretty much the gist on that. We got the DoD block off plugs. You definitely need that for the LT1s. Nothing special. Bolts, nothing special. Already opened that. Just OEM style, brand new gaskets for when we take the heads off. Put that one on, it'll be fresh, ready to go. And then last but not least, got the camshaft right here. So it's by GPI. Like I said, huge shout out to them. We're gonna run their SS3 camshaft, and these are the specs right here. The lobe separation and everything else just listed right there. So if you guys are interested, that is what the cam setup is going to be on this thing. And one good thing about GPI is that their cams are good for NA and boost, because we're going to run this NA for a while, and then eventually, like down the road, we're going to boost it, and this cam actually works good with that as well, and it sounds nasty. So let's open her up. Camshaft right there, already lubricated up. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so stoked to put this in. And that's pretty much everything we've got. So let me show you the engine to show you that I'm not lying, and then the AFR gauge. Kind of wanted to show you that as well while we're at it. So I got a gauge pod sitting there. I installed it. I just went ahead and threw it on there, did the wiring. It was pretty simple enough. Got the gauge here. Thankfully, so this is out of the Mustang. From right there So I had an extra wideband, and I never used it on the Mustang. The exhaust had a plug for the wideband, and I just went ahead and took this one out of the Mustang and threw it in here, bought one of these things, and it works great. Now we can read our air to fuel gauge, because Corvettes, for whatever reason, don't have an AFR gauge, or you can't read AFR at all. Threw one in there, so now we can read everything and we are good to go. And I love this thing. I just wish it aimed down a little bit more. I hate how it aims like up. I wish it was like that, but no big deal. Got the AFR gauge like that. Let me open the hood for you guys, show you guys what we're working with here. Completely stock, other than the headers. As you can see, I took the covers off. It causes more heat. Stock intake manifold, stock intake as well, and stock everything except for headers. And that's what we are going to be changing here soon with that camshaft. Then we'll upgrade the cold air intake, and we'll be rocking, literally rocking. When we did the cam install on the C6, that was like the best thing that we've done. And now that we have the max jack lift, it's going to be even easier. However, I don't think we will need the max jack lift to do the cam install. If we do, we got it. I cannot wait to install this. We are going to install this maybe this weekend, if not definitely the next weekend after that. We're gonna get this thing chopping really soon, and it shouldn't take us that long, just because we've done it once with the C6, and I know it's different, but it's kind of the same. Take the heads off, take the valve covers off, take all this off, just slowly but surely take everything apart. And it might be a 2-day process, but should take us more than 2 days. I'm debating if I should give you guys like a 2-second clip of what this cam is going to sound like, or if I should just let you, I'll give you a 2-second clip. Like 2 seconds of what it's gonna sound like. It won't sound exactly the same, because I'm pretty sure his is like completely straight piped, but it'll sound similar, and it's gonna chop like crazy. This is like the most aggressive cam that you can run without going crazy with a straight up NA build. That is why we went with this one. Sounds good, and it's kind of like the max. That is what we're going with. Huge shout out to GPI once again. We finally got ourselves a cam, and this is the exact cam that I wanted. Like, I've been listening to other cam, just hearing what they sound like, the performance, and honestly, GPI stage 3 cam was like exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, now it's just time to throw it in the car and hear what it sounds like, see how much horsepower it makes. We'll be right back to where we were with the C6, because the C6, it was just headers, X-pipe, exhaust, cam, and intake. Still running 93, didn't go E85. We might go E85 on this, because you can do the flex fuel sensor. See how it goes. Just do one step at a time. We'll put the cam in, run it on 93 for now, and then when we do the flex fuel sensor, then we can run E85 and go crazy with that. And we'll get this thing installed soon. Just stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. I'll also add in this video going to the car meet last night, which was pretty good. I'll just throw that in this one, because I think this is going to be pretty short. Just wanted to show you guys the camshaft and all the goodies we got for it, and we got everything we need to install the cam. Stay tuned, and let's go to the car meet. We are heading on over to a car meet. I was told that it was going to be pretty good, pretty last minute, so we're gonna go check it out. Whoa, look at this. What the? Wow. It's a lot better than whoa, R34 Skyline. Alright, as long as nobody looks on the right side, we should be good. Whoa, look at that Lamborghini. Rolls Royce, wow. R8. Cybertruck. There's the Skyline. Oh, that BMW is clean. Oh, don't look at the right side. Z06. Nice. This is a good quality meat. Z06 with a race seat. Wow, we're gonna park right here. Supra. Alright, well, first things first, let's check out this Supra. Right-hand drive. Think this thing shoots flames or what? Let's examine the damage. Ugh. That is embarrassing. Z06. The race seat. Stock blower. Stock headers. Center exhaust. More Corvettes. A lot more Corvettes that we're going to be here. Got a C5 with a wide body in the back. That Z06 is clean. Mustang is loud. I think we are a little bit late. Oh, look at this Porsche. CCW's on the... Oh, it's bagged. BMW M3. Let's check this thing out. Oh, CTSV. That CTSV is nice. The boosted with a centrifugal. Sheesh. Skyline R34. Hopefully we don't get copyrighted. Right hand drive. Look at the sound system. Got the Cybertruck. We saw him at another meet. GT3. Audi R8. Oh, don't tell me it's twin turbo. The rear bumper is off. No, I think it's just the rear bumper is off. I don't see any turbos. Another R8. ZL1. Got the Rolls Royce. And we got the Lamborghini. That Rolls Royce though is so nice. Look at the attention to detail on the exhaust tips. Got a C8. Oh my, a Celine Mustang. Nice. This is rare. More Porsches. GT4. That ZL1 is clean. Got another C8. It's crazy looking. I like the red interior. Sounds good. Why are her hands up in the air? Got a Camaro over here on a full drag pack. Okay. Well, that's gonna be a wrap at this meet. Pretty good turnout, actually. We're gonna head out of here. I gotta edit video. Ooh, GT3 is going out too. GT3 sounded sick.